everyone, in this video we discuss what is estimation and how to find the rounding of the number. So what is estimation? To understand what is estimation, we see some example. See the first example, over 13 million passengers are carried over 63,000 km road of railway track every day. Is it a 13 million exact number? Here, in this example, 13 million is an approximate answer. It is the nearest to the 13 million but not the exactly 13 million. Maybe it is a less than 13 million, maybe the greater than 13 million. So we are saying the nearest to the 13 million. Similarly, if we see the next example, imagine a big celebration at your home. The first thing you do is to find out roughly how many guests may visit you. Can you get an idea of exact number of visitors? No. Here we are not able to tell exact number of visitors, but we can roughly tell the number which is nearest to the exact number but not the exact. Maybe the guests are less than that number or more than that number. So this process of rounding, that is nothing but the estimation. And how we are exactly doing this rounding process? So rounding of the nearest. So here let us consider we have given the number 23. And now in a number line, here we take 20 and 30. Middle number is 25 and in the left of 25, here it is a 23. Now see, the 23 is more nearest to the 20 as compared to 30. So when we are rounding this number nearest to the 10, so if we round this number nearest to the 10, so here the answer of our question is 20 because this 23 is more nearest to 20. Now if we take 27 and we have to round up this number tens, so here the answer of our question is 30. So 30, why it is 30? Because middle number is 25 and 27 is the right of the 25. So it is a more nearest to 30 as compared to 20. So that's why we are taking here round up is 30. So that means when we are taking the any number, let us consider another example. Suppose we are taking the number 39. So now we have to find the rounding of the nearest 10. So here we have to observe this last number. Is it a greater than 5? So if this answer is yes, this last digit is greater than 5, then rounding nearest to the tens of this number is 40. So we have to eliminate this number and add 1 in the next number. So it is a 40. That means whenever our last digit, if we have to take the round up nearest to the tens, then we have to check the last number. If we have given the number, let's say suppose 29, we have to observe this last number. If this number is greater than 5, if this last digit is greater than 5, then round up of this number nearest to the tens is 30. So here 9 is greater than 5. So that's why we are adding 1 in the next number. And here we have to skip this 9. Instead of 9, we have to write the 0. So now if we are taking the number 34 and again we have to take the rounding nearest to the tens. So here the last digit is 4 which is less than 5. So when the digit is less than 5, last digit is less than 5, then rounding nearest to the tens is 30. That means here in the next digit, no need to add any 1. We write this number as it is and instead of this 4, we have to take 0. So this is the process of rounding nearest to the tens. Now the next question arises, when our last digit is exactly 5, then what we have to do? So if our last digit is exactly 5, then it is exactly middle number. That means when we are taking the round up, so here 75 lies between 70 and 80, and it is exactly middle number. That means it is equidistance from 70 and 80. So it is a middle point. So for this number, when the last digit is 5, then we have to take the round up of this number nearest to the 10 is 80. That means for 5 also, we have to add 1 in the next digit, and this instead of 5, we have to write the 0. Now similarly, if we take any 3-digit number and we want to round up nearest to the 100. So to round up nearest to the 100, we have to check the second number. Here 100, that means it contains 2 0. So here we have to check the second number. So if this second number is greater than 5, then we have to add 1 in the next digit. If this second number is less than 5, then no need to add any number. We just have to take number as it is, and remaining digit is 0. So now we take then one more example. Suppose our number is 3, 6, 4, 3, and we want to take the rounded nearest to the 1000. So here for 1000, we have to check the third number. It is a greater than 5. That means in the next number we have to add the 1. So in a 3, here 6 is greater than 5. That's why in this 3 we have to add the 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4, and remaining digit, instead of remaining digit, we have to write the 0. So in this way we are doing this rounding process. Now we discuss the next example. Here I have taken the number 94,623, and we have to round up this number nearest to the 10. So rounding this number nearest to the 10, so answer of this question is, here the last digit is 3, which is less than 5. That means previous numbers are as it is, 9462 as it is, and here this 3 is less than 5. Here we have to take the 0. So because of 3 is less than 5, so this all the digits we are taking as remaining as it is, and here instead of this 3 we have to take the 0, because we are taking rounding up to the nearest tens. Now for same number, if we take the rounding nearest to the 100, so for 100 we have to check this second number. This second number is 2. That means this 2 is again less than 5. So if this 2 is less than 5, that means there is no change in the next number. So here 946 as it is, and remaining number we have to write zeros. Now we discuss for 1000. So for 1000 we have to check the third number. Here the third number is 6, and 6 is greater than 5. So if the 6 is greater than 5, that means in the next number we have to add the 1. So 9 as it is, if we add the 1 in 4, so it is a 5. Then remaining digits we have to take 0. So it is a 95,000. It is a rounding of the nearest to the 1000 of this number. So in this way we are doing this rounding process. Now note down this number and try to find the rounding nearest to the 1000, and write your answer in the chat box. If you find this video is useful to you, then must like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.